We're in Grayson County in southwest Virginia, close to Mount Rogers, which is the highest point in Virginia. And our research is looking at ancient volcanic rocks that formed about 750 million years ago. Today we're looking at rocks called conglomerates, which are sedimentary rocks that have clasts of older rocks in them. And we are collecting a class of the volcanic rhyolite that are in the conglomerate in order to analyze them through geochemistry and to determine the age of the class.
Around 760 million years ago, there was an attempted rift. There was a supercontinent, kind of like Pangaea, but the one before that was called Rodinia, and that started to split off. But it didn't continue splitting, so another 250 million years later, it split off. It's important because we're trying to figure out, in that gap of time, what sort of events were happening on the Earth.
It's a cool experience because a lot of people might not think that, oh, they're just rocks, but to us, it's more just like a sample that can tell us the history of what's happening here, and we just take these little pieces of rocks and we get so much information out of them that to us they're really important.
There are a great deal of benefits to having just two of us with one professor in the field. It's exciting because she has tons of information and tons of knowledge, and she can do one-on-one teaching us.
What has brought us out here and enabled us to do this work is a grant called an EdMap grant, which is administered through the U.S. Geological Survey. That program is specifically for training students to do field mapping, because it's how important field mapping is to the science of geology. The heart of geology is being out in the field where the rocks are, because it's one thing to be excited about something you read in a textbook or that was in the news, but it's another thing to say, look, here's this rock and we collected it and it tells us this much about geology.